Going on, guys? So today, as you can tell from the title of the video, we're just going to do a quick little oil change on the Fit. I'm pretty sure most of you guys had like a starter like Honda or a Toyota, so you guys probably know how to do an oil change. But yeah, I was going to do it today and thought it might as well just film it. So let's get started. So started the car. It's been cold. I'm just going to let it run for like 10-15 minutes just to let the engine warm up a bit and let the oil heat up so it'll be easier to drain. Alrighty, got the Fit all jacked up. I hate working on the Fit because the front jack point is so deep, far down in there. You can't see it, but it's so far down in there that my jack can't reach it. So you have to jack up one side at a time and then put it on jack stands. But yeah, we'll get underneath and start banging it out. You're gonna need a 17 mil.
You have a jack?
You have one in the trunk?
There's one right there. That's what broke. There's
Hold
one
on.
this side.
It broke?
Oil pans right here, oil filters just ahead of it right here. So this is my oil filter. Just grabbed whatever was at Canadian Tire. And then for the oil, I'm using OW20. I think you're supposed to use 5W20, but I read online this is fine, and this is what I had from the GS350 and the CT200. So yeah, I think it should be done draining by now. So I couldn't find my oil filter socket, so I just have this little wrench thing. We'll see if it works. Alrighty, threw the oil filter on there, just hand tighten it, and this is what the oil is looking like. No bueno, pretty dark, but yeah, it was due time. I think it was 3,000 or 4,000 kilometers over the recommended intervals for when I'm supposed to change the oil. But I mean, it's winter. It's been raining for like 3 or 4 weeks straight, so it's kind of hard to find time to do it.
Sure, buddy.
It's finally dry today, so yeah. And now we're just going to fill the car up. The manual calls for 3.6 quarts without the filter and 3.8 with the filter. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with 3.8. Just a quick tip, if you never remember how long it is between your oil change intervals, I like to keep my trip B. I just zeroed it out, but I like to keep my trip B as like a, I don't know, like a guide. So whenever you hit like 5,000 kilometers or 7,000 kilometers, whatever you want to set your oil change intervals at is when you need to change it. So like once I hit 5,000 on trip B, I'll know it's time to change the oil. I think for the oil life thing on the Fit, you set it to this and then you just hold it for 10 seconds, I believe. So some exciting stuff here. When it blinks, let go, and then you hold it for another 5 seconds, I believe. And there we go, 100%. And we are ready to go. Alrighty, boys and girls, that's all she wrote for the Honda Fit oil change. Till next time, see you guys later. Peace.